India mi ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Conrad ke Sangma ringkat kejing senran lang MLA jong kathan uba HM Shangpliang bat MDC kathan ba Alvin ke Saukme haka arpo trek ujilew arhajar arpuar ullet ngo hi daladi yaki yeng ki belasha ban na kejing tua ka Khyndew kabla wanra kejing do Kenmynsaw brio haka snong dangar Kenmynsaw ki bahab hamau senram block East Khasi Hills district. Hakini kisngi la senran lang daka Deputy Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills District kong isawanda lalu ki pulit lambat ki officer. Hakini kisngi Conrad ki Sangma ula airu ya kepisa siya ki sangut ki bla Khlad no shiyeng kata ka kami bat saungut ki khun ki bla Shah ban Khyndew hadangar Henry lawan kit no ikimet yap hasnong maupen. Hadin kini Menteri Kejela ula Leit Kenmynsaw ban Leit Iaid ngerap ya kejing Khlad no kishikurim ha kejing tua Khyndew ka belajar ha Khyndew trek ujilew arhajar arpuar namar kejing jurjong ulapa.
So we are here in Kenmynsaw village and the first time we have come this side, and as you can see it's quite a ride, and at the same time come here to meet some of the family members of during this flood season they lost their lives. So we just come to meet the family members, and it's quite a bit of walk from here also. So we'll catch up a bit later. Whole thing.
Kawan kau nanti nyat ke nyat ada sana. Kita kadang kaying small house.
I first of all would express my deepest condolences to all of you for the demise and the death of the little children and of your daughter and of your younger sister. It was a very tragic incident that happened, and on behalf of the government, we are all here to share your sorrow and also to support in whatever way possible to help all of you get through this very, very difficult time.